I very recently got the KZ ZS12 Pro X, their latest hybrid IEM. It has 1DD and 5BA drivers, and if we combine the driver count of both earpieces, we get 12 drivers. So yeah, ZS12, it's in the name. I had a good experience when it comes to fit and build quality, but this cable, you guys can see, is very bad, to be precise. I have already mentioned in my unboxing video that KZ is not exactly paying enough attention to their mid-range or kind of premium-ish kind of IEMs. They ship with the exact cable that they ship their budget IEMs with. So this kind of feels like a bad marketing strategy to me, but that's not a concern for a consumer. What we want is better sound quality from our IEMs, and I have bought the Tripowin Alti, or you can say Altea, whichever is preferred by you. This one is a 4.4 mm terminated cable with QDC pins. I believe it should be decent when it comes to sound quality. This one is priced at $35 and is available on Linsole at $32. I'm not exactly sure about the pricing. And I bought this for at 32, if I'm not wrong, $32. And this is supposed to enhance the sound quality of the ZS12 Pro. So let's see, let's open it up and we will see if this is a well behaving cable or not, because I am not happy with the way this cable behaves. It has memory issues. It is unwieldy and kind of feels very cheap. I'm expecting a bit of premium feeling out of it, and straight away you guys can see this is a beautiful looking cable. I'm expecting a bit better performance when it comes to memory and feel. Hopefully softer too, because a softer, more supple cable is always better. And yes. Oh, wow, very good. 4 core, you guys can see we are getting a 4 core, beautiful looking cable. This one kind of looks purple in this video, but it is not. It is bluish, and I'm liking this color a lot. Light blue, even not even uh, deep blue or anything like that. It kind of looks purplish in this, but it is not. Let me see if I can change the white balance or something to make it blue. No, I cannot. So it is not purple, but you guys can see very good behavior, supple, very supple, no memory issues to be worried about, and soft, very soft and not bouncy either. So one need not to care about microphonics or the noise that we get from from the cable rubbing on our shirt or anything like that. So that is a great thing. 4.4 mm as always. This is definitely an upgrade over this cable, much better. And the one I have has mic. So yeah, this cable definitely has a bit of uh, noise and that kind of stuff. And I'm expecting the Alti to be a lot more better than that. Let's put these cables on. If I do not like this pairing, I will use it with the KZ PR1 too. PR1 Hi-Fi. That's one of the best planar based IEMs I have heard in a long time in the budget price range because of its technical abilities and clarity, but that is a bit too V-shaped, and I'm expecting it to rescue its V-shaped signature. So yeah, perfect fit. You guys can see fits perfectly, no issues at all. Very good, snug fit. I'm liking it. I'm liking this cable a lot, and I expect it to be a boon for this IEM KZ ZS12 Pro. I will do a review of this cable too, cable with the ZS12 and KZ-PR1, and we will see how this cable improves this hybrid and that planar IEM. So this is it. This is the unboxing and installation of Tripowin Altea cable, Altea or Alti, whatever you guys will like to call it. So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Enjoy.